Hey guys, what is going on? So today I got a free iPhone 6s from my friend's mom. This is an iPhone 6s that was left in the ocean. At some point it got reset, but unfortunately you can't set up an iOS 9 device. But yeah, this is still running iOS 9. And it does have damage. I fixed it partially a long time ago, and she got photos off of it and gave it back to me and said you can keep it. But you can see the lines. I hope that's not touch disease. I hope it's just corrosion. But you can see I have it opened up here. And look at all the corrosion in there that I did not really clean out that first time around. There's also some missing parts, which I do have. I just never put them back in. So yeah, we're going to see if we can get this fixed for the touchscreen to work, because it does not work on this side, as you can see, but it does on this. Let's get right into the disassembly so we can use rubbing alcohol and everything. Okay, so I got the rubbing alcohol and I removed the most corrosion I possibly can. So I'm gonna let it dry out for a little bit, and then without screwing everything back in, I'm just gonna pop the screen on, the battery in, and see if anything happens, if I can use the full screen again. Okay, so I guess I need to reassemble the phone. So yeah, I'm just gonna completely reassemble it. I might as well. And yeah, we'll see what happens. A little bit pissed, I kind of dropped the screen, which I'm gonna have to replace anyways, but I want it to work for now. I hope it works. Nothing happened. That's nice. Reassuring. Okay, so yeah, it did end up working. I just did not charge the phone. Although you can see there's these vertical lines and also no touch response here. So we'll have to probably buy a new display. And also, I could not find all the parts that were not in the phone. So I'll have to buy an iCloud lock device with a good screen, and I can swap the metal shields I didn't have in here and the screen. And also, it does have the activation issues that iOS 9 devices suffer. So I'm going to have to see if I can bypass that. If not, I'll sadly have to update it to iOS 12. But I do have connection with a guy who might be able to bypass it for me. So we'll have to see. But yeah, anyways, this is it for now. I'll keep you updated. Hopefully we can get this fully restored and on iOS 9. Okay, so what we have here is an iCloud locked, or it's actually in disabled mode, but it's iCloud locked. I checked it. 6S I bought, and I'm going to be using the screen and a bunch of other parts to fix the iOS 9 6S. Actually, this one's on iOS 9 in disabled mode, but there's really nothing I can do about that. This one I might be able to bypass. I'm not really sure, but we're just going to worry about fixing it up first. So yeah, enjoy. So I began to take the phone apart and take out everything I needed. It needed a new back camera, a new Taptic engine, and of course a new screen. Okay, so I got everything out of here that I need. So now we're going to start restoring the phone itself. The phone is turning on. Oh, now it's on. There is a bit of a mark at the bottom. I don't know if I tightened a screw too much, but I'm just testing the functions now, so yeah. Unfortunately, I'm going to have to update it to iOS 12. I'm not sure if there's much a way for me to keep it on iOS 9 since it won't activate. I'm not really sure. Hopefully the Touch ID works. We'll still have to test everything once it's restored. As you can see here, the update file finally downloaded and the iPhone is restoring. So I have finished putting everything back together and everything works as it should. That little mark at the bottom of the screen was because I didn't put something together correctly. One of the shields on the near the home button wasn't put on right, but now it's all fixed and it'll be good to go. I just have to get the previous owner's iCloud account, which I know the previous owner. So yeah, after that, this will be a fully working iPhone. Success, and I can sell it. And I spent under $40 to repair this thing. So yeah. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this repair video, and I will see you in my next one. Unfortunately, the salt water did end up killing Touch ID. I tried to soak the sensor and everything, but the home button does fully work. It's just Touch ID, but it is still pretty unfortunate. Here are some close-up shots of the final results of the iPhone 6s repair. Now before you go, this phone is for sale. I'm selling it for $100. It's locked to AT&T, fully functional, 97% battery health, and as you can see, in very good condition. It is also a 16GB model. I will only sell it to people in the US through PayPal and eBay. If you're interested, you can message me here. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I have many more restoration videos to come. I already have 2 phones ordered for future restoration videos. And I will be selling those off too. So yeah, stay tuned. Hope you enjoyed.